Did you know that alcohol can cause seizures in two completely different ways? Most people group all alcohol related seizures together, but the medical reality is that a seizure caused by acute intoxication is totally different from a seizure caused by alcohol withdrawal. Today, we are breaking down the exact medical differences between these two emergencies, including their timelines, causes, and what is actually happening inside the brain. Stick around because understanding this difference is crucial and could literally save a life. Let us start with the most common type seen in alcohol use disorder, which is the alcohol withdrawal seizure. This happens when someone with a history of prolonged heavy drinking abruptly stops or severely reduces their alcohol intake. The timing here is incredibly specific and critical to understand. These provoked seizures typically strike between 6 and 48 hours after the last drink, with the absolute peak risk hitting right around the 12 to 24-hour mark. Usually, these present as generalized tonic-clonic seizures, which involve full-body convulsions. But why does this happen? It all comes down to central nervous system hyperexcitability. In a normal, healthy brain, your excitatory signals driven by glutamate and your inhibitory signals driven by GABA are perfectly balanced. However, with chronic alcohol use, the brain adapts to the constant depressive effects of alcohol by reducing its GABA brakes and increasing its glutamate accelerators. When you suddenly remove the alcohol, that physical adaptation is unmasked. Cura Paul in Frustration D. The brain is left with too many accelerators and not enough brakes, resulting in a massive surge of electrical neuroexcitation and ultimately a seizure. Now let us look at the other side, which is acute alcohol-related seizures. Unlike withdrawal seizures, these happen while a person is actively drinking or shortly after a heavy binge when their blood alcohol content is still very high. These are not caused by the brain missing alcohol, but rather by the direct toxic or metabolic effects of the alcohol itself. There are three main triggers for this. First is acute alcohol toxicity from severe binge drinking. Heavy central nervous system depression can lead to hypoxia, which is low oxygen, and severe metabolic acidosis, which then triggers a seizure. Second are metabolic disturbances. Alcohol processing places a heavy burden on the liver and can cause severe hypoglycemia or dangerously low blood sugar. The brain relies entirely on glucose, so the sudden drop is a critical seizure trigger. Finally, alcohol can exacerbate pre-existing epilepsy. Even a single night of heavy drinking can lower a person's natural seizure threshold or directly interfere with their anti-epileptic medications. Whether a seizure is caused by sudden withdrawal or acute toxicity, the bottom line is exactly the same. Both are absolute medical emergencies. Seeking immediate medical attention is non-negotiable to ensure a proper diagnosis and to prevent life-threatening complications like status epilepticus, which is a prolonged, unending seizure, or progression into delirium tremens. Remember that a medically managed detox is always the safest way to stop drinking. If you found this medical breakdown helpful and want to see more straightforward health education, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what topic we should cover next.